Professor Dr. Mahmut Faruk Akşit has revealed a major milestone for Turkey's aerospace ambitions. The transition from legacy fighter platforms to next-generation air power is accelerating, and the KAAN program is at the center of this transformation. According to recent statements, Turkey's indigenous engine development efforts aim to deliver substantially greater performance, helping position KAAN as a true fifth-generation fighter capable of competing on the global stage. The implications extend far beyond Turkey. Reports of growing defense cooperation with Pakistan have fueled speculation about future acquisitions, technology transfer opportunities, and potential joint production initiatives. If realized, such cooperation could significantly strengthen Pakistan's long-term air combat capabilities while expanding the international footprint of the KAAN program. With stealth technology, advanced sensor fusion, network-centric warfare capabilities, and an evolving domestic aerospace ecosystem, KAAN represents one of the most ambitious defense projects in Turkey's history. As regional air forces modernize with platforms such as the Rafales, J-10C, and Su-30 variants, the emergence of KAAN introduces a new factor into the strategic balance of air power across Asia and the Middle East. The question is no longer whether KAAN will fly. The question is how much it will reshape the future battlefield.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.